Hello and welcome to another short Windows 11 tutorial. This time I'll show you the easiest way to turn off sleep mode. The process is roughly the same as it was in Windows 10. To do this, click on the Windows search icon, type in settings and click on it. Next, click on power and battery or search for power settings in the search bar. Click on the setting screen and sleep to continue. Here you can adjust both the sleep and screen settings for your PC. Click on the little drop-down device to sleep after and change this to never. If you have a laptop, there are two settings. One for when the device is plugged in and one for when the device is working on battery. You can set these settings separately. If you want, you can make sure that the display doesn't turn off either. The same rules apply. Click on the drop-down arrow next to turn off my screen after and change this to never. This concludes our How to Turn Off Sleep Mode Windows 11 tutorial. Make sure to subscribe if you want to watch more Windows or software related tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.